Dr. Hidayat Shinar is the manager at this Turkish-run hospital in Mogadishu. When we visit him, he's examining new patients who've been rushed in for emergency treatment. Dr. Shinar is among hundreds of Turkish nationals stationed in Somalia's capital as part of Turkey's humanitarian efforts in the Horn of Africa. Turkey has lost several of its nationals in militant attacks in the country, but Dr. Shinar says this won't stop his team of doctors from doing their job.
Sadece Mogadishu'dan gelen hastalardan ibaret değil.
This is one of the biggest and latest hospitals in East Africa. Somalis from all over the country come here for specialized treatment. We also have patients from Kenya and Ethiopia. Most of the cases we deal with here are patients suffering from chronic diseases. Some are brought here in their late stages, having nowhere else to go. We try our best to address as many patients as possible. That's our mission here in Somalia.
İnşallah bunun planı yapılacaktır.
Their other mission to train a group of young Somali medical professionals. It hopes that in 4 years' time, the group of Somali doctors will be qualified specialists able to take over the managing of the hospital. The hospital fee is cheap and affordable. Many patients come here on a daily basis. In 2015, the hospital treated more than 67,000 patients and operated on 1,500 others. This hospital here in Mogadishu is one of the main humanitarian projects run by Turkey. The hospital's name is Recep Tayyip Erdogan, and the hospital has played an important role in addressing the health challenges facing most Somalis here in Somalia. Ankara set up humanitarian missions in 2011, following a visit by the Turkish president, but it hasn't been an easy road.
Şimdi biz Türk milleti olarak
The security situation in Somalia is not good. We all know that. But that has not discouraged us from fulfilling our objectives in Somalia. Our president, Tayyip Erdogan, is our role model. He's the one who set an example to the world that Somalia is a country that needs help. He traveled freely inside the city.
içine kadar giren
Turkey's government says despite militant attacks on its nationals, it is here to stay. And under the guidance of their Turkish mentors, these young Somali doctors believe they'll play a big role in improving the future of Somalia. Abdulaziz Bilo, CCTV, Mogadishu, Somalia.